asase no enda hokwa ne wura no mo ho enti gise beba ha na beba nananom anan mu bebe srekwai na meji mshira sana mahye ase Ghpage de na ase enti ena mabaha asane ma ansane mind there beba uya MPP Franka tuni na ube nantia santiman mu a unim se sunsun bi be shewu na because yekuno no na kuma ne kra nyina ewa santiman nipa omo gi party mo na omo hihye party mo se yingina enim se omo chichiri party mu nyina na omo free asantiman na obehu se ochiame bafo se akoto Professor K. Buzia Victor Usu Aram Ponsa Apia Menka Professor Albert Edubuahi Kwame Safo Edu Ejeni Mbuating Kantinka Donkofojo President J. Kufuor Umoa na omochichiri party wa sentimemo ono organo umuna umuma party ne bejya agina so we umuna umuma kwayanda yeye de party ne nim enti me baha kise me bo umunyina baso na ka anye juma umuyeye ti dada hono ka ene party enti sei na ye ba be ye kandifo party mo enti me da sentiment ase hwe so ye history no so kire say na United Party ye chichiri ye no nim say na NLM na ochiame ba for koto osere koto na o found this NLM no na odi enim ono any SD Dombo any abaifa kabo jato kalio mumuni Bawumia omo no mo kabo mo ena yechichiri United Party along with Togoland Congress Party and the Muslim Association Party and the Shifomo P Party. We na actually say United Party no na a diverse party na Ghana nyina kahubi na umochichiri sa party no but na eno so chire say North as a whole na Northern People's Party no na omuwo the highest number of seats as far as the United Parties no ekona omo NLM no mo kabu no mo chire se na dono omo ntem North any Ashanti man omo chichiri United Party na bibia ekosi even Dombo even though say na Northern People's Party na ewo highest number of seats and Northern People's Party omo share Professor K. Buzia omo si we yamfa leadership no emma no ono no betime de ye kaina ye de ekoyenim enentina omo chichiri omo di Buzia ye leader of the United Party na ekiyeko no ekoyenim nananom maybe person chire say a dono ewo between ye stream any Asantimano ewo pa from independence time 1957 when na ewo inti me imagine say me so megina a contest leadership of New Patriotic Party no na nipa bebre green say embasso almost is not possible. I must say NPP Omumfani power free stream abaye leader of NPP na omuntiase omunnim history no enti nika say me pese me leader me ba asanteman me be hu otufo no nyina me be stress mun time echi mujimi tumu na nipa omoka say it's not possible no na asanteman ka ho omo na omo so me mo na omo say it is possible na mona mudikai na mo say mudi me baba na ampa making it possible say na benya leadership of the new patriotic party. And so Madamo Asepa Nananom Ashanti Mai Yina say more year possible. But Weba Abedi Vice President 7 years na me juma before na say me pese me ye omampenyin wo Ghana ha. Ushe ejuma maye as vice president Noah bewu say me twin kwanya Ghana ebefa so na yenye mpuntu obibri wo Ghana ha mia ejuma na me ye no as vice president no me hu bibri me throw book bi 2010 almost 14 years ago. Na me can say yes na eco digital fourth industrial revolution na yeko inti Ghana mayen kaichiri yenyiri ho na yensu yenko digital. That was 14 years ago. Na me vice president inti ibe ye vice president na your mampenyi ka say sa digital asem ni so mu na yen timimfa Ghana so enko digital age no mo enti ena me ka say niema abofni etimi aye no Ghana so yelitimi aye bi enti yeso yelitimi aye te say South Korea and Singapore, Dubai, no munina. Yes, Estonia. Yes, wait me. I take measures. I will take and on quite more fast. So, ultimately, developed countries are Oma Tumpon years. No. Inti Usha key Nema in here said as far as digital age no is concerned no oho na mesomedi madwin ekotoe sa ehia se uye omanya upese utumpon a gese adesua anase education ewo enim enintina ye baaye ye de nim eto free senior high school education STEM education, any TVET, no so. Now, yeah, as far as education is concerned, key areas are university, free senior high school, STEM, any TVET. Free senior high school education, no, you can't say ye no nani pa bebre engine di say ye betimi aye. But ye ba baimu, Nana Akufo-Addo, president, Obisa me say free SHS no. You bet me a share 2017 and I'm a country and say you bet me a share ain't ye the share budget mo a share and pa ye the share 2017 first year in government and ne nkoda omoko senior high school no ye buy no na 800,000 fie wo twen ya buy so far no abedu 1.4 million students from 800,000. Nananom mujin from independence to 1960, 60 years, 800,000 students. But from 2017 to 2023, 7 years, yadi 600,000 account. Just 7 years. Now, adia ni kanoso saying. And then mano eko echen bemano was senior high school. Girls have overtaken boys in senior high school. Yeba, for every 100 boys, now you were 68 girls. And then for every 100 boys, you were 106 girls. Omoko senior high school. Ebe boy pa na omo performance no so exams no so improve a kosoro na nipa bebre dwen say free senior high school iba e de performance no omo ntimi nye wo exams no mu
but ampa ene uhwe waxi West African Senior Secondary School Certificate exams no na omo core 6 subjects no 2016 pass rate here 41%. 2023 I could do 64%. Enti omo performance no kosro ye free SHSC abayi ene yama omo laptops so aka one student one tablet na koso mejidi say Africa nyina no country has given the senior high school students one laptop or one tablet omodi ye echuma na ohwe so a ye the STEM education so aba na sano ye very very important science any engineering mathematics ni nyina na yankoda no ya started up STEM schools even girls STEM school over Ashanti ha yedi boa nkoda no technical and vocational education so ye chire insano ejuma bebre no yedi aba the highest investment of any government in technical education invested over 6 billion Ghana cedis in the last 7 years. Technical and vocational education. And also, yabeyen free technical and vocational education. Korano so omwako bebre from 59,000 to 150, almost 160,000 in terms of enrollment. Enti kakrakaka yeko yenim as far as education is concerned. Second thing, yehia na yehia medi me need to so say yen yewo Ghana digital identity. Ko digital economy. I just say unya digital identity to participate in digital economy no. Na enechire say ye pese ubia owo Ghana ye mano Ghana card. Eno ebeye ne digital identity ko bebia obetumi akire se wo eno obia ukase oye no na digital identity no uhwe Ghana ya issue almost 18 million Ghana cards no ye buy na ye do 900,000 po ene ya ye 18 million President Kofi na edi buy say ye nye Ghana card 208 okoye ye ntimi anye for the next 8 years but ye buy ye 18 million Ghana cards in the last 7 years na boyem bebre uhwe so a wiase ha uko US omunyenye omo digital card the Ghana card no any US say na US for omo din komo say omo opese omo issue sa card no EU European Union say no more omo countries ni nyina up to 2030 say omo issue digital cards no emma omo citizens 2030 Ghana there ya share that we are more than 85% of adults nyina ya Ghana cards no nananom ye be share se uhunim say abrochiri ye wo akola ye mano national ID number at birth. Ye manu national ID number. Enti meso me ka say Ghana yesu yenye na sa ye wo akola ye manu national ID. Enti ye di databases na meso me say ye bre ebenya birth certificate certificate no so. Enti yen combine said ye be issue national ID na ya issue birth certificate ID at the same time. Enti nananom ene ejuma no ye wie enti ene ye wo akola na odine ko way in wo hospital ene ya ye system no way in ho no ye be ma no Ghana card ID any birth certificate ID at the same time. So yama amenom ne papanom omom brebium omon ko se omon ko births and deaths ako apply akoji ya ni nyina digital enti ye ma national ID na ama birth certificate ID na beto phone so na di uwo data ne nyina ya ye ne digital enti mimi gidi say first country in the world ya ye no minim any other country obetimi agi birth certificate and national ID at the same time minyehu sa country no na nananum Ghana card no so abeboa yen because Osha, you use Ghana card no I check ghost workers or your public payroll. Ghost workers. Uni nananum na nipa bebre wo ho a omo oji aketua na omo nko ejuma. Omo oji sika but omo nko ejuma. Omo din wo payroll mo. Na efre omo ghost workers. Enti meka say Ghana card no betimi check ghost workers no. Yen link every government worker to the Ghana card. It's because every worker will fingerprints. Na nsamanfo de omuni fingerprints. Enti ye link is Ghana card no to workers no. Nsamanfo ni nyina adwane ye. Ghost workers ni nyina omu dwane ye. Nananom National Service Scheme na ye hu 44,000 ghost workers. National Service. Yeah, linkage no. Omunyina adwane 44,000. Ye save 420 million Ghana cedis. One institution. Ye call SNIT. Ye call linky omu Ghana card no. Ye hu 29,000 ghost pensioners. Na omu over 300 million Ghana cedis savings. Yeah. Two institutions per over 700 million. Ghana cedis savings. Ghana card no ada hormano. Enti ya cleaning up the whole of the controller and accountant general database. And then Ghana ye need ghost workers where payroll mobile. Ye sa problem na edda ho from independence. Eko see eneno. Ye sa problem mo every. Nananum Ghana card no so ya call linky ye Ghana card to the International Civil Aviation Database wo Canada. Sa Civil Aviation Database no a controlling airports na points of entry 44,000 airports ne border points across the world. Ye the Ghana card ko omu processes no nyina a passe enti ene uwo abrochire ene uwo China na say Germany, UK, US, Australia, Dubai ena u passport yira ubetimi afa Ghana card afroplane abagana betimi afa passport Ghana card afroplane abaha untimi mfantu kwa idea from here but ubetimi afa abagana from abroad na saano ebabua yenyina nananum nyame adum ye twuma bi ye bewie before the end of this year ye di adia ya freno e-gates aba arrival hall wo Kotoka International Airport. E-gates ne kire say electronic gates na uye Ghana ni na oba Ghana ofru plane obedu Kotoka ehia say obeko immigration bium udi Ghana card ko see e-gates no na abie amao na wako inside the baggage area wako yi uniema ebebo aye nyina na de toso no so say nyame adum next year nyame aduma passport application ebeye easy kra ama obia because ye beye Ghana card no mibisa say omomfa passport application no form no embra you make sure say all the questions on the passport application form na ewo Ghana card no so enti your data ni nyina wo Ghana card no so nyame adum from next year no need for separate passport application uhia passporta ko na kotua fee no fa Ghana card number to ho na umo print passport no amao there will be no need for any other passport application. It is very straightforward. Tuyausika energy na umo print passport no amao. Nananum de tosoa midi menu tu so me pese ye solve the problem no since independence na ye ni address system wa Ghana ha Yeni address system. Upe se uko baby a. You say kanchira say uko do mami auton koko no ano afa right. Now who blue house bi now afa left na kiosk bi wa ha uko do ho na wafa right. Na sana ye addressing for the whole of the country. Inti mika say just say yes sir because unni addresser. Ubenya den na wanya bank loan. Ubenya den there's too many usage of the address system. Inti na mika say young corner digital. Yen use GPS, global positioning satellite ewo hono. Yen leveraging na yenya digital address system wa Ghana. Na eninti na yedi digital address system no ba Ghana. Ene Ghana baby town or village our digital address. The whole country. Ghana so only the second country in the world with the wholesale digital address system. The whole world, any second country, sa digital address system no. So everywhere, solve problem no ewo hono. The toso problem I toso am many too so mobile money system no. Financial access. Na nipa bebre wo ho a omunni bank account. Na problem. Na mobile money so ye wo no. Na uwo MTN a obetumi amane sika ma obi a owo MTN pe. Untimi mane sika ma obi a owo Vodafone ana se Tigo. Na sana ultimi mane sika free Momo echo bank account ana se bank account echo Momo. Intina mika say yenye ade a yefre no mobile money interoperability. Na side time no na no country in Africa ayes ade no. But me see ye betimi aye. Na nipa bebre njindi. Na me form team na of the telcos any banks no. Na ye starti ye ejuma no. Ene ye obien who say mobile money interoperability no ye ejuma. Ubetimi money sika from any mobile network to any mobile network, from any bank account to a Momo number. Obi mani usika from abrochria, a better mobile phone. So here say we call Western Union bium, a cosa line, a koji usikano. Enti sano ama obia our access to financial services. And Ghana, any number one country in the whole of Africa in terms of access to financial inclusion. The whole of Africa, 100%. Uni Momo account, una umpe. But Momo account in Ghana no is different from any other Momo account because in Africa, because some Momo account no eye juma to say bank account. Nipa bebre omu use bank accounts, omu use Momo accounts, omutimi ye baby inti ye access to financial inclusion wa Ghana no 100%. And mobile money interoperability ya wa Ghana no the first country in the whole of Africa. ISR mobile money interoperability. The whole of Africa. Ebini United States. Ebini UK. 19 it is possible. Adia brofona aye no. Yes, you bet me aye bi. Aye asing. Adia omu ye. Nananum de etoswa medi mini tu so adia efreno drones to deliver medicines. Drones na aeroplane na kwa nipa nimuno na automated movement aumuye 202 ena me papa ouye watamale ya no operation na ohia moja na yehwehwe ye call blood bank ho anajono na yetum na yehwehwe moja yenya ye make call saa yenya ebedu anapa na wewu enti that was 2002 enti ye ba ban mu na meti say company bi wo United States San Francisco omu wo technology bia drones uhia drone anase moja anase vaccines especially rural areas hono na omutmi yekurasini bibia omutmi afa drones no afa moja anase drugs anase drone vaccines omudi akoho meti sano na me say me koho akoshia omo me need me team ye sorry ko San Francisco you know muko ye meeting na ye kanchiro mo say omo technology no ye here or Ghana omo ye meeting omo say omo beba Ghana omo bae ye ne omo tenase ene omo abe establish 6 medical drone delivery centers baako Mampong nana unai so de ba Mampong na ejuma drones no Ghana ha nyina they deliver to 2,800 medical facilities 2,800 day be every day almost 100 flights na omoye from each center enti adia enijie ne pa ne say ene the whole world Ghana ebeye the largest medical drone delivery service the whole world yene yedikan the whole world in Intina last time Vice President of the United States Oba Ghana Obe boy abasopa na yekofa technology in free US buy but say na US omoshi asie medical drone deliveries say na omoso emoshi asie na Sano Usha 2 months ago sa company no Zipline omuba Ghana omube recruitee 1 Ghanaian omude ne call San Francisco to lead a drone flight team in San Francisco. Echirese Ghana hayanya serious experience with this technology. Yedi yechuma. Nananum another area medimi ni tools so ye hospitals hono so. Usha ye medical records no na nyina manual. Ubetimi akọ hospital na web umo kanchira say u folder ayira ye ntimi hu folder. Na hardwing because ye hu folder doctor no befa hin abehu medical history. Edi ye ka say ye networking na hospitals ni nyina na ye digitize medical records no. Sajumano Yegusu under a program called eHealth, light wave, na company Sajumano. As far as teaching hospitals, regional hospitals, district hospitals, ya networking ningina. Teaching hospitals, regional hospitals, and district hospitals. Ningina ye over 304 hospitals. Ye ningina. Enti uko from one hospital, say ufri manso edubia ba okonfo anochia unhia ufolda bium. Yes ene ubetimi aba konfo anachi na wama omu ID number. Uma omu ID number noa ni nyina no. Omo bo sa ID number to computer na o medical records ni nyina abepie na obie hu. Ufri wa kokolebua uhia folder bim uhia o ID na odi akokolebu omubo ha na o medical records nyina abetum ene ye said meka teaching hospitals, district hospitals, regional hospitals. By next year be hospitals nyina wa Ghana including chips compounds ye the records nyina ebetu digital na ye beboa ye nyina na eko ene nananom digital ninti ubitumi etenafi a renew national health insurance and I say wa enrolling on national health insurance and then digital ninti ya no ubitumi etenafi ato electricity credit on your mobile phone even uwa China and US ubitumi ho ato electricity credit ama ufie in Ghana from any country in the world sano a very, very convenient ama ubia la ye. Nananum, in addition to digital area, no, miso midimagine could share other areas such as one constituency, one ambulance. Agenda 111. Midi sa idea no ko two president in him or say yenye. Start first on start here na chief of staff na da sa jumadine enim say 88 but yebubo districts are omni hospitals any regions no do 111 and I need to na yefre no agenda 111 na nananom dialysis treatment so national health insurance and yabe no free for those under 18 and over 60 na be boy na ya mede Zongo Development Fund so ebaye be boy ni yenuanom zongo for as far as Mpuntu is concerned. Even Kaya ye for ye mumfrimo, ya building up skills training, hostel skills training. Ama umunyina we no nananom ejuma meet me aye as vice president. Some of the things meet me aye goal for oil policy no munyina kahobi as vice president na me ye MPP ya ye ejuma but ye nyenwie nananom entina nyamiadum me pese mumma me kwan na me so memba mbedi omampanyi masua ejuma no kakra mesua every president Kufuor ho menene ye ejuma from 2001 ekosi 2008 na me wo kitchen no mu technical advisor na ye numbers no ma president Kufuor into me sua ade bebre won ho me so me sua ade bebre won na Kufuor ado so ho maje ntiti free otumfuo say tutu ho na nada sebre osebunsu the second ono so watete me kakra enti nyame adom nananom me gidi se mudi car no steer no e de mamia metimi atwe car ne yie ene akoyenim me wo vision me pese me implementi wo Ghana sa vision no nyananom me pese ye niema bebree de di kan me pese ye focus ye de ni eto agriculture no a ye agriculture no a ebebuain because at the end of the day food is critical for survival in here eduane a ne bo so ebeda form na eye bebre enti ye pese ye boa equiafo dwuma no ye pese ye no more commercial agriculture, technology driven agriculture, mechanized agriculture. Sano na me pese bidi meni eda agriculture so the tosu mienu adia me pese ye wo Ghana ha nananom me pese ye di ye cost of electricity no ne buo e wo sorododo me pese ye di bafom na electricity no uhwa ye be generate ye electricity no a ye hia gas and oil and gas no so ne buo nda fom ne buo wo soro pa any problem I want Middle East na ne buo ko soro enti me pese Ghana since independence you see oil and gas no mainly with hydro so air count but oil and gas no na edoso sesia me pese ye move away from oil and gas na ye call solar power ewia nyame edi a che no me pese ye use sa solar no e generate electricity amagana na ne bo no so abafom enti solar power no me ye numbers ye calculations ye who say ye betime the electricity prices abafom by at least 50%. Na sano ebema ye businesses nyina abaye competitive. But solar power no me pese ye 2,000 megawatts of solar power. Enye kitwa massive, and that is more than half Ghana your consumption of electricity. You be generating with solar power. But me pese ye importi solar power panels no. Me pese ye set up factories. Na ya manufacture solar panels no wa Ghana. Na ya create jobs. Ama mabununi no wait me jobs because 2,000 megawatts is very huge. So just say ye manufacture solar panels no ewa Ghana. Nananom the toswa area me pese midi mini ekoguho eye as far as the vision is concerned me pese me empower the private sector, the business people, the traders. Private sector no omuna omwetimi abuai Ghana na yetimi tumpon enye government sector Government will do its work, but in terms of generating growth in the economy, jobs, a private sector. Inti me pese me di new policy bi eba. Say yemma private sector no yen reduce government expenditure. Na yemma private sector kwan enye sa expenditure no. Upese usi prisons a. And here say government ko kukusika say o kusi prison. You better me ama private sector akosi sa prisons no amaye. Omo wi a na ya renti efri omo ho. Ye tua kakra o renti a u tua kakra. Enye sa but upese o kukusika na wakosi all the prisons a unya sa asika no. Inti me pese shifty expenditure no eco private sector no ho. And then uko tech and na legona students are hostels no any nyina private sector and your government AC hostels no so your private sector incentives are umetima ama government but government edi sa policy a omubeye bibia no a umehu say ye were too many uncompleted projects na ewo ho but private sector incentives no dia waste time kra use projects ni se na koso whether it's roads, whether it's hospitals, whether it's dormitories or classrooms, me per se ye create space, no, ye ma private sector. Nana said schools, senior high schools, almost share school buses. Just say ye kono, just say ye ko sikaning na, ye share sika. To 700 buses ama schools. But anka ye pese private sector yeah ye bekan tell almost say mass schools no na ye lease buses no from private sector na etua kakra ma omo to na space wo ho but upese okukuru sika ni nyina koto 700 buses a unya sa sika no na schools bebre wo ho a omo ni buses but one time ye betimi ama omo nyina buses na ye etua kakra and ebe ye so me pese me reduce government expenditure by at least 30 billion Ghana cedis. Reduce and then give that to the private sector. Omonye no omombua government. Na private sector no so omompeja na ya bua omo na ye ko kakra. Nananum de toswa me pese misesa nyame adom ye tax system. Ye tax system no a hardwing ama ye jadi for any businesses, any individuals. Tax system no, a system ya inherited from independence. Abrafuna mudi jaya, but ene problems be bri woho. JR betimi ako ejuma ma business bill no umuntiasie. Umuntimi antria no ye tum shop enti me pese me di new tax system ba tax system obia betiasie simple tax system for the last 2 years na me investigating which sort of tax system and ebe boa Ghana for na me share the best tax system everybody has understood for the last 10 years omuye number 1 Omo tax system is seen to be the most competitive. Number 1, last 10 years, Estonia. Enti minimi team sorry na ye call Estonia. Me si yanko suyansuya adia omo ye wo Estonia no. Yebetimi aye no wa Ghana ye call ho na very very good meeting. Mini omo president share, omo prime minister, omo finance minister, omo tax authorities. Na omo chire ho say omo tax system no very simple. Your friend flat tax system. 10% na obia tuya 10%. Ubetimi calculate o tax. So enyese ube hwehwe account bia obekba abesi we GRA ba onim o tax. Omuntimi nsisiu 10% 10%. Ohona me hu say ye churches no na asa omunhu dada. It is a tight what church and yes simple so flat tax na no what church honum sa flat tax no na mede pese ye de bagana ha ebe boa yempa na uhu say because me pese yes share from afresh no from next year, Nyamiadum, me pese mema obia tax amnesty. We'll forgive taxes and we'll all start from zero. Nobody will owe any taxes from next year. So we made the tax amnesty back so that we will start the flat tax system from zero. And last month, and I said, yes, me call Rome, and me call Shia Pope or Rome. Me call her, me nini share we na Cardinal Peter Texin. Now or they may or they may call Basilica, no or chre me wo ho the near my koso wo different parts of the basilica. We could do baby nani pe bi ye juma na me bisa na se nani pe ye juma de no be no mu ye no kan kire me so oh next year 2025 a jubilee year. So jubilee year no so there's a lot of forgiveness. You forgive sins and so on. Let me say, oh, so a good year, 2025. Me so may forgive taxes or Ghana in 2025. Jubilee year, you'll see. Now, yes, kakra. So Nyamiadum next year, the tax amnesty. Eba businesses be free because omoni GRA omuchwe mansopa as far as tax liabilities are concerned because calculation no enye clear. Enti me pese calculation no ebeye clear ama obia. The tosu no tax reformer me pese me de ba no eye import duty. The alignment of import duty. Nananom import duty no so a high thing. Enti many problems for her predictability no na any ho. Ubetimi akra niema. Now at the time a ukra niema no udwen say ubetua 5,000 cedis. Niema ne bedu pe na ukoyi a na mo aka njire o say 10,000. Na o plans nyina asay. Utua 10,000 na ukojoma gese odi price no eka ho. Enye sa untimi nya osika. Wentimi ntua so a na yesizi niema no. Na ya cotton for 2,000. Na usika ashe. Enti me pese me di predictability eba import duty no. Enti some predictability na me pese me de ba no. Me pese ye import duty no so on a flat rate in cities. We have to start respecting the city right from the port. In cities, flat rate in cities. Enti uye spare parts dealer. Now, the spare parts a bar from magazine, spare parts. Me per se, a 40-foot container, we must have a flat rate. So if it's 20,000 cedis for a 40-foot container, a 20,000 cedis. A bedu at any time, utria 20,000 cedis. Right off the bat. That is the flat rate. A 20-foot container, a 10,000, and now utria. A ricer, now we this rice, 40 foot is this, 20 foot is this, chicken, everything will have a flat rate. Now, sano ewo predictability, because predictability ni honinti. Every time the okojoma na ya de tika ato akaho di price no akofo soro. So ye wo inflationary bias be eba from the port into the market. Yet some predictability no bar, there will be less price increases in the markets because you have stability in the import duty. Inti na medeba. Second reformer me pese medeba in the import duty regime no ne saying ushe enea Togo omo duty eda form chiring saying Ghana. Togo Lome Port omo duty eda form saying Ghana. Inti nipa bebre se omo di containers e fa Togo na omo aklei na omo smuggle aba Ghana. Yentua duty no wo Ghana ye kotua wo Togo. Inti me the new policy be eba. Sa new policy no is simple. Ghana import duty will not be higher than Togo import duty. It's the same or lower. We will cap the import duty in Ghana to the Togo import duty. Yeyene sanwa smuggling no bejai. Nobody will have an incentive. Say omodibeko to no mudiaba. Said the ghost workers no more disappear, no, Sanoana, smugglers no so, Omube disappear, sir. It's a simple policy. We'll cap it and then when you know it will make it very, very easy for a bit. The miso nananum policy di so a me pese me de bano. Eye dien Usha Ghana, we work on a cash